In ZP, we believe in steel made the green way. Our mission is to support our customers on their journey toward decarbonization and sustainability by providing steel solutions that are efficient, responsible, and forward-thinking. Our vision is to be an active part of the global movement for sustainability, driving continuous improvement and innovation. Since 1990, ZP has consistently invested in technologies that improve energy efficiency and reduce CO2 emissions. This long-term commitment is reflected in several key milestones. Between 1990 and 1993, the company built a high-performance electric steel plant with an initial capacity of 220,000 tons per year, which was later increased to 380,000 tons. In 2004 to 2007, the focus shifted to modernizing furnaces with regenerative burners, boosting thermal efficiency and lowering fuel consumption. A major investment followed in 2013 with the installation of a new continuous casting machine and advanced dust extraction systems, which also make use of waste heat for heating purposes. Together, these strategic upgrades represent a cumulative investment exceeding €56 million, supporting the company's ongoing transition toward more sustainable steel production. ZP has improved air quality and expanded renewable energy use under its 1999 environmental policy. Key actions include a high-efficiency cogeneration unit producing 33,000 megawatt-hour per year of electricity and steam, modernization of 4 hydropower plants, generating 26,000 megawatt-hour annually, and Slovakia's largest rooftop solar plant with 7,100 panels and 3,350 kilowatt peak capacity. Total environmental investments exceed €15.5 million. In December 2020, EU leaders adopted a bold target: a 55% reduction in greenhouse gas emissions by 2030 compared to 1990 levels. ZP has already exceeded this goal. Thanks to sustained investments and energy efficiency efforts, we have successfully reduced all direct CO2 emissions by 67% as of 2023. This achievement reflects our long-term dedication to sustainability. Since 1990, we have invested nearly €72 million from our own resources into clean technologies, low-emission processes, and renewable energy, reaffirming our commitment to going beyond the targets of the European Green Deal, 55%. In line with the EU Green Deal and the company's environmental strategy, ZP has achieved an impressive recycling rate of over 96% for its steel production in the last year. 80% of the recycled steel scrap came from external sources, while 20% was generated internally. All of the scrap is sourced within a 250-kilometer radius of the production plant, minimizing transport emissions and environmental footprint. This approach reflects ZP's long-term commitment to local circular economy principles, resource efficiency, and low-carbon steelmaking. The entire process is carried out using an electric arc furnace aligned with EU taxonomy for sustainable activities. In the vicinity of the company, 5 hydropower units across 4 sites have been supplying renewable electricity for decades. Together, they produce around 26,000 megawatt-hours annually, covering 12% of ZP's total electricity consumption. These plants ensure a stable, clean, and efficient energy source, contributing significantly to the company's decarbonization goals. Beyond their energy performance, the hydropower plants hold historical and architectural significance, harmoniously integrated into the natural landscape. Thanks to ongoing modernization, they deliver long-term operational reliability and environmental value, preserving both industrial heritage and climate responsibility for future generations. The company operates Slovakia's largest rooftop photovoltaic installation with over 7,100 panels. In the last 12 months, it generated 3,030 megawatt of electricity, reducing CO2 emissions by 882 tons, equivalent to planting over 40,000 trees. This investment highlights our commitment to low-carbon energy and sustainable steel production. At ZP, slag, namely a byproduct of steelmaking, is recycled into valuable construction materials. It is used in road bases, asphalt, concrete, and railway bed layers. This approach reduces industrial waste and supports sustainable infrastructure development, making steel production more environmentally responsible. This chart shows the carbon footprint of our main products, from steel blooms to finished tubes. We start with continuously cast blooms at 198 kilograms of CO2 equivalent, moving up to hot-rolled tubes at 590 kilograms and cold-drawn tubes at 1,140 kilograms per ton. Even though each production step adds complexity, we maintain an efficient and low-emission process across the entire chain, fully aligned with our green steel strategy. Upon request, ZP provides a declaration of conformity, confirming that products are manufactured in line with the Greenway Steel Certification Scheme. This ensures that your goods are produced using top-quality steel billets sourced from a process committed to energy efficiency, recycling, and environmental responsibility.